Cardano's price is going to zero after the SEC says ADA is a security, while eco-friendly crypto Ecoterra blasts to new highs. Whoever wrote this is simply talking about Cardano on the technical front and the recent trouble it has landed into, and also with a desire to shift investors' intentions to another cryptocurrency. Well, that's none of our business. The crypto market is in a lot of a mess, and there is a lot of confusion going on right now. But wait, what's this talk about Cardano going to zero? The beginning of 2023 was a blissful moment for Cardano ADA, as everyone thought it was finally rising to incredible highs. However, the narrative flipped. Despite a rally at the beginning of the year alongside Bitcoin, the Cardano price met resistance at the 45-cent level in April and is now in the danger of breaking down under its March low of just under 30 cents. If this happens, it would invalidate the bullish structure Cardano has built so far in 2023, based on 30 cents being a new level of support and a higher low since the 2022 bear market. And generally, a failed bullish setup is often the most bearish signal for a crypto asset, which has led to talks of the Cardano price going to zero across Twitter. Having corrected as a deep 92% since its all-time high of $3.10 hit in September 2021, ADA still has a market cap of $11 billion. Simply put, the Cardano price could drop another 90% from its price today and still have a market capitalization of over $1 billion, at which the point the ADA price would come close to zero, just a few cents. Cardano is still in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, currently ranked 7th largest according to CoinMarketCap. The Cardano price may also have a limited upside potential compared to low market cap assets such as new meme coins, which are exploding in price every day on Uniswap regardless of US government regulations and SEC lawsuits. So I guess you're asking, how do we get here? From a technical standpoint, the aforementioned narrative about Cardano ADA is justifiable, but other factors are pulling ADA coin price to the lows. Plus, Gary Gensler just made a big move, a move that left Cardano scathed. SEC Chair Gary Gensler stepped up his attack on the crypto industry recently, suing Coinbase and Binance for securities violation and casting shadow of doubts on the future of token trading. With time, crypto investors caught the hint and 4 of the 10 most valuable coins plunged in value by at least 15%, according to CoinMarketCap. This sell-off was triggered by the lawsuits and Gensler's interview with CNBC, in which he said, "We don't need more digital currency." Alleging that Coinbase was acting as an unregistered broker and exchange, the Securities and Exchange Commission said at least 13 crypto assets available to the company's customers were considered crypto asset securities. They include Solana's SOL token, Cardano's ADA token, Polygon's Matic token, and Protocol Labs File token. I mean, a lot just happened. Things started turning sour for these cryptocurrencies and Cardano took the most severe hit. Trading app Robinhood announced that starting on June 27th, it will no longer support the trading of coins from Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. The company acknowledged that no other coins were affected. Also, Crypto.com said it will shut down its US institutional exchange. No other coins are affected and your crypto is still safe on Robinhood, the company stated in a post. The tumbling then followed. ADA tumbled 20%, Solana ranked 9th dropped 18%, Polygon ranked 10th also slid 18%, and Filecoin, which is further down the list, dropped 19%. And Binance's BNB token, ranked 4th, fell 16%. However, Bitcoin and Ethereum, the 2 most popular cryptocurrencies, were more stable, each declining less than 5%. Notably, Gary Gensler, who was appointed the head of the SEC by President Joe Biden in 2021, has spent much of the past year going after crypto firms and exchanges for effectively selling highly speculative and risky securities masked as something else. From high-profile fraud cases involving Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX and Do Kwon's Terraform Labs, to dozens of charges involving coin offerings and alleged false marketing, the SEC chair has made the once burgeoning crypto industry his primary takedown target, and is looking more like a predator-prey relationship. In an interview with CNBC, he said, "The investing public has the benefits of the US securities law. Crypto should be no different, and these platforms, these intermediaries, need to come into compliance." This TV appearance came after the SEC sued Coinbase and said that the company should be permanently restrained and enjoined from operating its crypto asset trading platform as an unregistered national securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. But moving forward, Cardano does remain one of the most volatile tokens, at least by the standards of the crypto market. The token has faced extreme bearish sentiments after the SEC labeled it as an unregistered security in its lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase, and so many painful headlines have swept across crypto Twitter, and no one has really taken a chill pill. Experts believe that the ADA price rose slightly as the crypto community came to terms with the SEC's hawkish actions. As several Cardano lawyers and experts have noted, the SEC does not have the power to unilaterally deem Cardano to be a security. But this is beyond mere acknowledgements. It would have to prove its assertion in a long and tedious legal battle. Furthermore, bulls are expecting intervention from the US Congress before the lawsuit reaches any conclusion. SEC Chairperson Gary Gensler has already had several tense testimonies with Congress where several lawmakers accused him of regulation through enforcement, and several bills in both chambers of Congress seek to reduce the SEC's authority and provide legal clarity on this matter. Nevertheless, while some are feeling the pangs of pain for Cardano's recent lows, some investors are caught in euphoria of the fast-paced development of the network. The recent Hydra upgrade is expected to provide a significant boost to the token's price. A Mike Alfred on Twitter stated that he was investing 1 million ADA tokens, suggesting significant belief among some investors in Cardano's long-term potential. All eyes now turn to the major interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve in its upcoming meeting. If the Fed pivots from its hawkish stance, the ADA price could continue to rebound. However, the current uncertainty following the SEC's decision makes it difficult to make concrete predictions on ADA's prospects, so the Fed might add to Cardano's shivers. The Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has long defended Ethereum and former Ripple during their battles with the SEC. He said something about Layer 1 protocols last year. Always taken a position that most Layer 1 protocols aren't securities because it's bizarre and senseless to consider something that offers utility, is decentralized enough to have operators and builders throughout the world, and survive its founders passing Howey to be a security. This time, Hoskinson stated that the 130 pages of the SEC complaints against Binance seems like the next in a series of steps to implement Choke Point 2.0 in the United States, with the end goal of an agenda-based CBDC partnered with a handful of massive banks and end-to-end control over every aspect of your financial life. He went on and on, comparing the US regulation not to a fair debate about compliance or legal guidance, but a politicized philosophical disagreement with the very existence of cryptocurrencies and what they represent. What we know for sure is that Hoskinson is optimistic about the industry and ADA's acclaimed bright future. Still, it is unclear how this lawsuit will play out and what it means for Cardano and other named cryptocurrencies in the long term. Nonetheless, what is clear is that these events will shape the future of the cryptocurrency market, and ADA's ability to recover its price will largely depend on the industry's response and the outcome of the lawsuit. This story will continue to unfold, and who knows, ADA might end up calling the shots. Investors are understandably scared, and is quite expected. But to the propagators of scary crypto news constructed from a bleak perspective, it's okay to stop now. Cardano ADA may look like it's on a journey to a few cents, but can we be more optimistic? An early investor will get sparks in the brain with this outrageous wave of negativity. Crypto is volatile, the SEC is raging, you know these things. So let's save our sanities even in this turbulent crypto world. We'll leave you with this tweet from crypto analyst and trader Dan Garbadello. Capitulate means to surrender. People who own ADA and who fear it will never recover are slowly capitulating. Price will fall until smart money buys the fear and the oversold conditions. It is impossible to know when the capitulation is over. Only time will tell. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.